Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to factory reset Night Owl DVR. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now, factory reset your Night Owl here is actually pretty easy. So first is you need to ensure you've removed your product from the Night Owl Protect app. Before initiating the factory reset process, it's crucial to detach your recorder from the Night Owl Protect app. This ensures that reset can proceed smoothly without any conflict with the app settings or configurations. Next is you need to access the main menu of your recorder, so you might need to log in to do so. So navigate to the main menu interface of your recorder device. Depending on your setup, you may need to log in using your credentials to access administrative features settings. Now within the main menu interface, locate and click on the designated tools icon. So this action typically opens up a submenu or additional options that allow you to manage various settings and functions of the recorder. Now scroll down and select reset at the bottom of the list. Now once the tools submenu is open, scroll through the options until you reach the reset section located at the bottom of the list. This section contains options related to resetting the device to default settings or clearing a specific configuration. Now, within the reset section, you'll likely find several reset options. Select the specific option labeled Factory Reset. This option is specifically designed to restore all settings and configurations of the recorder back to the original factory defaults. Now from then on, confirm by clicking Continue, and after ensuring the recorder is removed from the Night Owl Protect app. Also, before proceeding with the factory reset, double check that you've successfully removed the recorder from the Night Owl Protect app. Once confirmed, click the continue button to initiate the reset process. After confirming the reset, your recorder device will automatically initiate the reset process. This involves rebooting the device and erasing all customized settings, configurations, data, and reverting back to its original factory state. Once the reset is complete, the device will be ready for reconfiguration and setup according to your preference. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.